I'm gonna set my face before I do highlight. That's just my preference. And to set my face, I'm using the Morphe. Good Lord, can I speak? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Niesia.j. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll know whenever I upload. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is in the color medium beige. Okay, so our base is on, and the eyeshadow palette I'll be using today is the Morphe 35B palette. I'm gonna start off with this purple right here from the palette, and I'm gonna pack that in my crease using a Morphe M139 brush. Okay, so now that we packed on that purple color, I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer using a Morphe brush and my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And the reason I'm gonna set this is when I start to blend with the pink, if I don't set it, it's gonna smudge and it won't blend and look as seamless as possible because it's tacky. So I'm just gonna set it lightly, nothing crazy. And I'm gonna go into the pink, which is this one right here. You have to take your time with this, you know? No rush. Just keep this on the hush. I know you see me on the video. Okay, I'm done, I can't say. And I'm gonna take a lighter pink shade. Probably gonna go with this one. It looks really white on camera, let's back it up. This one. And just blend out that pink. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. concealer because we're going to do a cut crease. Okay, so I did go ahead and do one eye on camera because I wasn't sure where I was taking this look, but I figured it out. N139 brush, and we're going back into the crease color, which is this deep purple right here. And we're gonna tap that in and add that to our outer V. And I'm gonna take this lighter purple just right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and add it next to the dark purple. So I'm not taking that all the way across my lid, I'm just gonna take it halfway. And then I'm going into my ABH palette, NORVINA, and we're going into the color Wild Child. Okay, so for primer, I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I'm going in with my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the color Nutmeg. And I'm just gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color FAWN. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. concealer again in medium beige, and I'm just gonna add a little right here. Now I am gonna set my concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte powder in the color Classic Tan. And I'm gonna use that to set everywhere, also while removing this setting powder. Now we're gonna go and hit the under eye real quick. Now I'm just gonna take, this is a Morphe E36 brush. We're gonna go back into the darker shade on the outer portion of the lower lash line. So I'm just gonna wipe that off. I'm gonna use the same brush, dip into the hot pink, and add that to the inner portion. With that same pink, I'm gonna go under the purple that we added to the outer portion. So now that we're done with that, we're just gonna go ahead and dust off that translucent setting powder using that same brush. I'm gonna set my contour with the NYX No Filter Powder in Cocoa. Okay, so I went ahead and did my lashes off camera, and the lashes I'm using are Crown Lashes. Line my waterline with it's like a nude pencil. It's called Absolute New York. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm gonna use the color Rich Gold. Ooh. Yes. This just takes this look from, oh, it's cute or whatever, to disrespectful. I'm gonna set my face before I do highlight. That's just my preference. And to set my face, I'm using the Morphe, good Lord, can I speak? The Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. NYX California Beamin, and it is in the color Golden State. I'm gonna use that as a highlighter. Gives you a glow, but without punching in your face, basically. For my lips, I'm using the NYX lip liner in the color Brown, and I'm gonna go in with a e.l.f. This is a liquid matte lipstick in the color Praline. Call her Purple Rain. Just giving me all kinds of life right now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll know every time that I upload. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. So just hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Yeah, somewhere. It's somewhere.